Very good morning, children. Welcome back once again in our science class. We are studying chapter 3, chemical substances and processes. As we have studied earlier in the earlier classes, the combination reaction and the decomposition reaction. We have studied there is a four type of chemical reactions on the basis of their reactions and the products. Now we will study about the displacement reaction. Displacement word means something displaces from its position. The displacement reaction, what is the definition of this reaction? Look at here. A chemical substance reaction in which one element displaces another in a compound. This is called displacement reaction. One element displaces means one element displaces another one and that get combined with that places. So that is called the displacement. Place को change कर देना. This is the displacement reaction. Now to understand this displacement reaction, there is activities given. In this activity, very simple activity. Whenever the school opens, I will show this reaction, this activity by doing reactions. Okay, in this reaction only we require copper sulfate solution and a beaker and a nail. Copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate get dissolved in water in beaker, and we dissolve the clean iron nails into it and leave it for 5 to 6 hours because this reaction is very slow. So after 5 and 6 hours we will observe. What we will observe, do you know what is the color of copper sulfate? The color of copper sulfate is blue. I will show you in the classroom. The color of copper sulfate is blue. When we dissolve copper sulfate in a beaker, it shows blue color. Okay, but when we dip iron nail into the solution of copper sulfate and wait for 5 to 6 hours, then what will happen? This copper solution slowly becomes green in color, and there is a deposition of brown substance on the nails after 5 or 6 hours. Solution slowly changes into green and a brown precipitation, brown cover on a iron nail you will observe, isn't it? Now the blue color of the copper solution changes into light green and brown coating appears on the iron nails. This brown coating on the iron nails, that is copper. This copper get separated, get displaces by iron. Iron यानी कि Fe, and solution, blue solution becomes green in color, isn't it? Iron, that is Fe, displaces copper because iron is a strong, more reactive element that displaces copper and get combined with sulfate and form ferrous sulfate, and copper get separated. Look at here. This is the reaction. Which type of reaction? So displacement reaction, isn't it? Here is only one example is given, but I have also having more example. I will give you. You will note it down one by one. All the examples I will provide you. Now come to the next topic. Next one is the neutralization reaction. Neutralization means neutral. Neutral means no strong, no weak. This reaction take place between the acid and the base. Acid, do you know? Acid. Just suppose karo ki lemon juice, that is an acid. Have you seen the name of hydrochloric acid? HCl. Have you seen? In our stomach, HCl is produced whenever our stomach get infected. That is the hydrochloric acid. This acid get react with any base, then form salt and water. Salt is a neutralize water. Salt and water. This is the neutralization reaction. When an acid react with base, the what will be the product? Salt and water. Salt and water is the neutralized. There is no action of salt and water. Okay, so this reaction is called the neutralization reaction. Just read the definition of this definition. Neutralization reaction. A chemical reaction between an acid and a base is called a neutralization reaction. Look at here. A chemical reaction between an acid and a base is called neutralization reaction, isn't it? Now look at next line. A neutralization reaction always leads to the formation of salt and water. What happened during neutralization reaction? Always form salt and water, isn't it? This is the one more example given here, neutralization reaction. The reaction between hydrochloric acid, this is the acid, HCl acid, and the sodium hydroxide, this is a base. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base and HCl is also a strong acid. So there is a reaction between sodium hydroxide, between base and a hydrochloric acid, that is a acid, and what is formed? And sodium chloride, that is common salt, and water. Sodium chloride, do you know, common salt that is used at our houses in vegetables, dal, and variety of the dishes. Sodium chloride. When sodium hydroxide get react with hydrochloric acid, what will happen? Sodium chloride plus H2O. Sodium chloride is a salt, common salt that we use in our houses. This is the neutralization reaction, means ki some acid and base get neutralized and form salt and water, isn't it? Next reaction, just see the reaction. The reaction between magnesium hydroxide, that is a base, and sulfuric acid. Do you know sulfuric acid? Strongest acid. Sulfuric acid is an strongest acid. What will happen? Magnesium sulfate is formed plus water is formed. Magnesium sulfate. Do you know magnesium sulfate? All the compound having 8 at the end, chloride, sulfate, nitrate, all these are the salt, and having 8, sulfate, nitrate, chloride, all these are the salt. When magnesium hydroxide, that is a base, react with sulfuric acid, H2SO4, then what is formed? Magnesium sulfate is a salt and water is formed. I will just give you the few more examples. I have just kept with for you, just from review from the upper side. I will also provide a small video of this activity 3. You will just see the video I will provide. In that, what apparatus is, what utensils, apparatus and materials are used in this activity. You will also do this activity, listen, watch the video, and uh, do the activity, and you will also draw two beakers having copper sulfate, one beaker having copper sulfate with blue color, and one beaker having iron sulfate with a green color, and a nail having brown covering that having copper. I think you have understood all these two types of reactions. Displacement reaction, in which one element displaces another one and form sulfate, and that one element get separated, displaces. In neutralization reaction, the reaction between acid and base, both of them get neutralized and form salt and water. One example is sodium hydroxide plus HCl acid react with each other and form sodium chloride, common salt and water. A second reaction is the reaction between magnesium hydroxide, that is a base, and the sulfuric acid. Look at here, sulfuric acid, that is the strongest acid, when combined with magnesium hydroxide and form magnesium sulfate and water. I think you have understood the today's class. I will just show you few examples I will provide you. Thank you for watching my video.